Welcome to the Home Cool Gadgets channel, where you can find the latest gadgets that came in the market.
Cordless car polishers have become increasingly popular among car enthusiasts and professional detailers due to their convenience and ease of use. These compact and lightweight machines allow users to polish their vehicles without the need for a power outlet, making them ideal for use in outdoor settings or in areas without electricity. To save your time and money, we've completed our research and review 5 different models of cordless car buffer polisher on the market. You can see the link to the products in the description of the video below.
Number 1.
Durable and noiseless, the shell is made of high-impact ABS. The inside has a powerful motor, which is made of all copper with anti-interference. Lightweight and portable, BATOCA cordless buffer polisher for car is only 3 pounds weight. Easy for carrying and storage. 5mm random orbit DA ensures a uniform finish, friendly for beginners on all painted surface. 2 batteries and high efficiency, come with 2 batteries 2.0 Ah and a fast charger. The battery with large capacity and small volume. You can charge one battery while running out the other, so you don't have to sweat being out of juice. Power alert function. BATOCA hand buffer for car detailing has a battery status reminder function. There are 3 colored lights: green, yellow, red. It's green when it's fully charged. It turns red when it needs to be recharged. Speed adjustable. BATOCA cordless car buffer speed adjustable for 1 to 6 levels. Fully adjustable 2500 to 5000 OPM, perfect for waxes, sealants and glazes.
Number 2.
Ergonomic design, the 2-handle, full wrap with textured grip increases stability, accuracy and control, providing comfort and access to hard-to-reach spaces. Powerful and efficient, it runs on random orbit at 3000 orbits per minute, with a full-size 10-inch buffing applicator and bonnet covering a good amount of surface area at once. Multiple application, cordless convenience allows the option to operate the buffer polisher in remote locations, not just for cars, suitable for countertops, bathrooms and banisters as well. Longer runtime, the kitted 20 volts 2.0 Ah power share battery provides the WORX WX856L.1 with enough power to run for up to 45 minutes on a charge. Same battery, expandable power. WORX power share battery is compatible with all WORX 20 volts and 40 volts tools, outdoor power and lifestyle products.
Number 3.
This upgraded car cordless buffer is more portable to use, letting you get rid of the trouble to drag, yank and position a cord. If you're looking for fast results to remove swirls with cost-effective tools and dual-action machine polishers/buffers, it comes to the right one. Powerful motor produces up to 5000 RPM with low noise, powerful enough for a professional or beginner. The high-performance electric car polisher helps to increase your efficiency. Lightweight and cordless design, only 4 pounds lightweight, compact and portable design make it easy for carrying and storage. A cordless polisher that is not limited by cables. You just plug in the battery, and you can use it anywhere. This polishing machine is equipped with 2 12 volts, 2.0 Ah batteries, which can provide 3 hours of work. Let you use it outdoors without worrying about no power. It is the ideal choice for outdoor polishing.
Number 4.
BATOCA S1 cordless polisher is equipped with 100/125/150ths of a millimeter backing plates. Easy to change by simply pulling the drawstring on the back panel. BATOCA S1 car polisher has a dual grip design with the speed control buttons located underneath the grip. This makes it very easy to turn on/off, and adjust the speed without having to pause while polishing. And the small, light body style like the game console helps you have fun in the polishing. BATOCA S1 battery polisher is equipped with LCD display that accurately shows the speed range and battery level to help users understand the real-time status of the machine and easily adjust the control speed during operation. Each BATOCA S1 detailing buffer polisher kit comes with 2 2.0 Ah lithium batteries. The battery lasts a long time and recharge quickly. One battery lasts approximately 40 minutes of use and takes 50 to 60 minutes to recharge. By charging the other battery while the unit is in use, there is no need to worry about pausing polishing work.
Number 5.